Hey friends, what's going on? Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to Henry Cavill building a PC. Henry Cavill is a pretty famous actor right now. He's pretty well known for being a heartthrob. I personally have only seen him as Geralt in The Witcher, but he was also in Superman. He's also a PC gamer, as he's talked about it in interviews before.
PlayStation or Xbox?
PC.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
You're a PC gamer.
Yeah.
Let's get into it. So there's some seductive music in the video, and I'm just not sure if it's copyrighted yet, so I'm gonna put my headphones on and we might have to cut out the music. Okay. I like that he's addressing his manual. That's a thumbs up from me. Oh, very careful. He's very careful with that CPU. This isn't as scary as he's making it seem. It's really not that bad. It's true, it will only fit in there one way. This music is just, this is just too much. Oh wow, that is quite the cooler. Also, even he doesn't look dorky with that flashlight thing on his head. This is like the first time we've seen Henry Cavill throughout the whole video, which, you know, just judging by his choice of music, I think we know that he knows that he's a heartthrob, so it's surprising that he hasn't shown himself more. He's like, I don't know where to put this radiator. Putting in his little power supply. I'm going to guess that this is his first build. As you can see in the background, the colors, the sky has changed. So it's been a couple hours. It's now nighttime. That's a big graphics card. 2070. There, he got it. Oops. He's just looking at it. Not really a surprise considering this took hours. Alright, well he got it running. Okay, it's beautiful. Oh, he even has RGB RAM. He has a temperature thing on his cooler, but it was upside down. Ah, yep. He just noticed it. Yep. I mean, it'll still work. This is the next day. Oh wow, his cable management looks great. Making it all nice and clean. He's got to reapply his cooler. Okay, I'm kind of uncomfortable. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to play this music because it may be copyrighted, but it's very seductive and just like, I'm not sure I'm comfortable watching this. It's not even, it's just it all together. That was also a bit much pace, but I mean, he spread it pretty evenly. It's kind of just melt out the sides. Okay. He didn't show us like putting the RAM in or anything, but I mean, he also didn't show like connecting to the motherboard, all the wires, but he said it took hours. So, I mean, that's okay. I know how to do those things. There's other videos that show us how to do those things. Just the beginning. Isn't that the truth? The upgrades never stop coming and we never stop wanting them. Whether we really need them or not, we always want like the best products because it's just so nice to have such a fast and smooth computer. And when your games look beautiful, like who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want the best graphics, the best response times, the best refresh rates? Just not all of us can afford that. That's why I love PCs. I mean, they can forever be upgraded. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.